Alright, so I'm going through my garage to find scrap pieces of wood so that I can reframe this garden bed over here where the grapes are and the trellises. I'm gonna move the camera so you can see it. So this bed has fallen apart and I want to reframe this so that it doesn't go farther out than the bed on the other side and it's equal. The pepper won't be in the bed. This pepper won't stay here. It's gonna end up getting pulled for the season because it is fall now. So I'm just gonna frame in this part right here where the grapes are, and I'm gonna leave this back part open, and hopefully this works. Okay, so all day long I've been building beds and moving dirt around and reinforcing chicken runs. So I'm gonna show you.
Mom, there's a little maze here.
So I'm gonna show you what I did, and we're gonna try and herd the chickens to the back into where I have the opening of the run. So we'll work on that. Come on. All right, let's go. Herd them this way. Go that other way. All right, y'all, we want them to go to that back area. So come around the back way. Go around, Charlotte, go around. You're not doing what I've asked you to do.
Oh, do this?
Yeah, that's what I want you to do because I want her to go that way. Okay, everybody go this way. Good. All the way to the back. Go. They're not being herded very well, so I'm just gonna set this down. See if we can do that. Okay, you're going the wrong way. Go that way. Go that way. Go, go, go. Ow.
Go.
Everybody.
No. 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 No.
Okay, you know what? An easier way to do this is I'm just gonna go ahead go do that on No, don't spam the chickens. All right.
I can't. I can't. I can't. Ah!